We're solving problem 7 from the 2020 F equals MA exam A. An astronaut standing on the exterior of the International Space Station wants to dispose of 3 pieces of trash. They face the station's direction of travel with the Earth to their left. From the astronaut's perspective, the 3 pieces are thrown 1 left, 2 right, and 3 up. To the astronaut's frustration, some of the pieces of trash return to the space station after several hours. They are, and it's just all the ones that previous said. So, Earth is to the left, and Earth is in elliptical orbit. So, let's just say, or we know that the energy for the elliptical orbit is negative gm over 2a. So we have the energy in this case, right? And now we know that the astronaut threw the trash, right? And the trash's change was inconsequential to the velocity it had at its starting point. So the change in velocity is really small compared to square root gm over a, which is what we have for this. And notice when the pieces of trash are thrown, they'll eventually get pulled by the Earth and travel in the same period as the International Space Station. So after the one orbit around the Earth, all the pieces of trash will come back to the exact spot where they were thrown. So our answer is E, which is 1, 2 pieces of trash, 2, and 3. So this is our answer. All pieces of trash come back to the ISS.